What?
Where's my
It's
new
a
toy?
bed. Simone, you have your own big girl's bed now.
That's your own bed.
And this is mine.
Yeah, that's... I told you.
Simone, do you like your bed?
Yeah.
Want to take off your shoes and climb up on it?
Yeah.
Here. It's nice and soft.
Yeah.
Can you believe it? No more crib.
No more crib
You
for
get your own
Simone.
bed.
Simone, you don't not any crib. The crib's all gone.
Yeah.
No more crib. It's just it's a big girl's bed from Simone from now on. Except I don't know how messy her top is.
That's okay. You want to go in?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that nice and soft?
Yeah.
Isn't that it's so soft. Oh my gosh. Simone, that's your bed. Is that so neato?
That's the main baby.
Yeah, new blankies.
That's my new baby.